Assalamu alaikum, 8th class. Today is your lecture number 6. We are going to start unit number 2, real numbers. Real numbers. In this unit, we will discuss real numbers and different operations on it. Okay, so let's start. So see here, student. 2.1 topic is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Definition of an irrational numbers. Okay, the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p over q. P over q mean in fraction form. In fraction form, the numbers which cannot be written in form p over q. P over q mean fraction form where p q belong to z. Z is a integer set. You will understood in unit number first. Z belongs to the integers in which including plus minus 1 2 3 plus minus and all the numbers. Okay, and q is not equal to 0. Here the q is not equal to 0 because if the q is become 0 then it will be term convert into the infinity. So q must be is not equal to 0 or called the irrational numbers. We know that there is no such rational numbers whose square is 2. Therefore, the square root of 2 is not a rational number. Similarly, under root 2, under root 5 over 7 and under root 2 over 3 are not rational numbers. So, we will discuss with examples. Okay, so let's see. So see here, student, we have write some examples of rational and irrational numbers. So see here all the integers to till the n numbers. Okay, take one 0. How we can write it? 0 over 1. Answer is 0. हम 0 को p over q की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं नहीं लिख सकते, तो आंसर क्या आ रहा है 0. सो दिस इज आल्सो अ रैशनल. 1 को 1 over 1, आंसर इज 1, इज अ रैशनल. 2 over 1, answer is 2, is a rational. All the numbers can be write in the p over q form. P over q form. So these are rational numbers. Okay, all the numbers which can be written in the form of p over q, all the called rational numbers. Okay, let's see an example. 1.4444 is a repeating digit. Okay, so by solving it we can write it 1 plus 4 over 9. One digit is repeating. If one digit is repeating, so on. So we can write in the form of 1 plus 4 over 9. 1 plus 4 over 9. Okay, as we write it 1 4 over 9. Okay, so when we solve it, 9 ones are 9 plus 4, 13 over 9. So it is also a rational number, means the number after decimal point if the digit is repeating. If the digits are repeating all the numbers called the rational numbers. Okay, for example 1.7979979797. You see that 79 is repeating. 79 is repeating after decimal point. So how can we write it? 1 plus 7 and 2 digits are repeating. 797979. So write over 99. Okay, if one digit is repeating, write only 9. Okay, if two digits are repeating, write 99. Okay, so 99 179. Okay, when we solving it, this is also can be write in fractional form. So these are called rational numbers. Okay, all the numbers which can be written in the form of p over q are called the rational numbers. Now see the irrational number. Okay, so see here, student, under root 2's answer is 1.414213562562. So see here, student, if you observe that after the decimal point the numbers are different repeating. Okay, 4 1 4 2 1 3 5. This type of term can not be written in the form of p over q. This kind of terms cannot be written in the form of p over q. So that's why these called are irrational number because this term is not written in the form of p over q. Now the answer of under root 1 over under root, see here, the answer under root 3 is, answer of under root 3 is 1.73205c. If you observe that there is also one term is not repeating, the digits are different after the decimal point, so this is also a irrational number. Same, under root 5 is also a irrational number. Now you see that you also know that the pi's value is 22 over 2. If you know that pi's value is 22 over 7, but one thing comes in your minds that 22 over 7 is also in a p over q form, but how we cannot said that 22 over 7 is a irrational number. So see here student, this value of pi is not exact value. This value of pi is not exact value. This value of pi is not the exact value. Okay, so students, this is the approximately value. This answer of pi is 3.1415 and so on. Okay, so this is also one digit is not repeating, the digits after the decimal point are different. This will be cannot written in the form of p over q at exact term. This is the approximately value of pi. Okay, so student, if you find the confusion that the pi is a rational or irrational number, so pi is a irrational number. Okay, hopefully you get it, the concept of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, so students, the next topic is terminating decimal fractions and non-terminating with repeating and non-repeating decimal fractions. Okay, the decimal fraction in which the number of digits after the decimal point are finite. Finite mean जिसका कोई end होता है, are finite, or while converting a common fraction into the decimal fraction, the division process ends. Simple, the division process ends. Then it's called a terminating decimal fraction. Decimal mean which include point. Okay, so now see an example and non-terminating. So see with the, so students, see here, when we divide, we have a fraction of 9 over 4. Fraction of 9 over 4. How we can divide it? 9 over 4. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, now subtract 1. Okay, now 1 is not divisible by 4 because 1 is smaller than 4. Okay, so now put the point and take 0. Okay, 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Now subtract 2 here. Now 2 is not also divisible by 4, so take another 0 because we have put a point. Okay, so now 4 5s are 20. If you see that student, the division process is end that I have mentioned in definition. The division process if ends and the fraction has finite number of digits after decimal point. This is the decimal point and have finite digits after the decimal point. Mean finite mean जिसका कोई end हो जाता है. Okay, so this is the terminating because this term has the end at its. Okay, so इसका end यहाँ तक हो गया है, इसका आंसर और नहीं आ सकता because division process is complete. So answer is 2.25. so this is a terminating decimal fraction. Because the answer is division process also ends and answer is a finite digits after the decimal point. So this is the terminating decimal fraction. Now non-terminating, if we divide 1 over 9, non-terminating decimal fraction with repeating and non-repeating, okay, digits. Okay, now 1 is not divisible by 9, so put 0.0. Okay, now take 0, 9 ones are 9, 1 minus. Okay, then पॉइंट पहले पुट किया है तो यहाँ पे एक और 0 लगा सकते हैं, 9 ones are 9, फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट 1, पॉइंट पहले पुट किया है 0 लगा लिया, 9 ones are 9, पॉइंट पहले पुट किया हुआ एंड 9 ones are 9. Okay, so if you see that students, in this question the division process is not ending. डिवीजन प्रोसेस नॉट एंडिंग, ये आगे चलता जा रहा है, बट दी डिजिट्स आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट्स आर सेम, 1 1 1 1 again 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is an example of non terminating because division process not end and the digits after point are infinite, जिसका कोई एंड नहीं हो रहा, ये आगे चलते जा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग and repeating. This is an example of non-terminating and repeating. 0 point, how we can write it? 0.111 and so on. So this is the repeating and non-terminating. Now see the second example, 9 over 7. Here 7 ones are 7, subtract 2. So 2 is not divisible by 7. Okay, so take point and put here 0, 7. 2s are 14 because 7 3s are 21, so we can't write 21. Okay, because 21 is greater than 20, so we write 7, 2s are 14, here 6, so take 0, 7 8s are 56. Okay, now here subtract 4, now take 0 because we have put already point, so put 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So subtract 5 here, 0, and 7 7s are 49, so 1 is here. Okay, subtract, now put 0, 7 ones are 7. If you see that this is also is non-terminating because division process is not ending till we division it, so on. Okay, so students, if you see that here the digits after the point, decimal points are not repeating, the digits are different, but it is also non-terminating because division process is not end and the digits after the decimal points are infinite. Okay, so this is the an example of non-terminating and non-repeating because the digits after the decimal points are different, so these are non-repeating and non-terminating decimal fractions. So these are terminating and non-terminating concept. Hopefully you get it, students. So see here, student, exercise 2.1, convert the following rational fraction into the decimal fraction and separate terminating and non-terminating decimal. You understood terminating and you are already understood terminating and non-terminating concept. Okay, so see here how we convert it into the decimal. Mean we have take part 1, 5 over 7, 5 over 7. So 5 is not divisible by 7, so take point 0, put here 7, 7s are 49, subtract 1 here, point is already there, so put 0, 7 ones are 7, 3, put 0, 7 4s are 28, put 2, subtract. Now 7 2s are 14 here and put 0, 7 8s are 56, 4, put 0, 7 5s are 35. If you observe that the division processing is not ending, okay, so this is non-terminating because division process is not end and the number of digits after the decimal points are infinite. Our answer is 0 7 1 4 2 8 5 and so on. So this is the decimal fraction. So answer is non-terminating. Once we have converted into the decimal means points fraction, and now the answer is not terminating because the number of digits after the decimal points are infinite, or division process is not end. If the division process, next question, if the division process are end and the number of digits are finite after the decimal point, so these terms called terminating terms. Okay, hopefully you get it. Now student, convert the following rational fraction into the decimal and separate repeating and non-repeating decimal. You have already understood the concept of repeating and non-repeating decimal. When you solve all the questions, see if the numbers are repeating same after the decimal point, so these terms are repeating. Okay, and if the number of digits after the division in the decimal point, okay, are different, so these terms are non-repeating. Okay.